Hello viewers, if you are planning to buy any tablet, then this is the right time for you because Amazon and Flipkart have brought a fantastic sale. In Flipkart you will get mega sale and in Amazon.in you will get great summer sale. Many tablets will be on offer from noon of 1st May, that is today. But before buying any tablet, you must know whether this tablet that you are actually planning to buy is on offer or not. Sometimes during offer, many sellers increase the price of a particular product and the buyers who don't actually know the exact pricing or the best price of that product end up buying that product at a higher price. In this video, I will categorically mention the best price of each and every tablet so that you don't have any problem while buying any tablet. First of all, if you want to buy Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus, in that case the best price of this tablet is around 25,000 rupees. But currently you are not going to get this tablet under this price bracket, so if you have urgency, you can buy this tablet at a price point of 28,000 rupees maximum for the Wi-Fi variant. Similarly, if you are planning to buy Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE, in that case the best price would be around 20,000 rupees, but there is an offer showing that it will be available at a price point of 22,479 rupees from Amazon.in when you will get HDFC credit card discount. So you have to decide whether you will buy Tab S9 FE at this price point or not. If you ask me, I think the price is little bit on the higher side. Next, if you are planning to buy iPad 10th generation or iPad 11th generation, in that case the best price for iPad 10th generation is below 25,000 rupees and for iPad 11th generation the best price will be around 30,000 rupees. Then if you want to buy Oneplus Pad 2, in that case the best price would be around 32,000 rupees for the 128GB variant and 35,000 for the 256GB variant. Next, there is offer on Redmi Pad Pro. You can buy Redmi Pad Pro at a price point of 18,499 rupees using HDFC credit card on Amazon.in. I think this is a decent pricing for this tablet. If you are looking to buy Redmi Pad Pro, this is the best time for you. The next tablet in the list is Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus. The best price would be around 48,000 rupees for the Wi-Fi variant. As this is a latest tablet, the price of this tablet is little bit on the higher side. So if you want to buy this tablet at around 40,000 price bracket, so you have to wait till Big Billion Days sale. Then there is offer on Poco Pad 5G, but I don't think the offer is good enough to buy this tablet right now. If you get this at around 18,000 rupees, only then you can buy Poco Pad 5G 128GB variant. Then there is Xiaomi Pad 6, which will be on offer, but I think it is a old tablet and you will not get much update on this tablet. So if you want better hardware, in that case you can buy this tablet. Otherwise, if you want regular software updates, in that case you should skip this tablet. Also, there will be offers on Lenovo tablets and Motorola tablets and also on Realme tablets. You can buy those tablets if you get the good pricing on those tablets. And if you want to know the best price of those tablets, mention the name of that tablet. I will mention the best price of that tablet. So hope this video has become informative to you to have the best buying decision. If you have liked this video, please hit the like button, share this video and subscribe the channel for more such interesting videos. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.